Hi friends, good morning. Myself AG sir again welcome all of you from Samgate School. Yesterday we have started new chapter coordination compound and you have seen that video is not completed. When I was making editing it was cut and could not send you full video. But I am today giving you remaining part of the chapter. So now we have lastly discussed that Warner was the first Swiss chemist. Year 1866 to 1919 was had studied coordination compound and explained some important observations from the coordination compounds. He explained that there are two types of valency present in transition compound or transition element. First is the primary valency, which is formed by ionic bond, and second is the secondary valency, which is formed by covalent bond. So ionic bond with a transition element of negative ion is primary valency, and covalent bond with transition element in coordination compound is secondary valency. Now we are going to discuss related to primary and secondary valency and some practical which is done by Warner. He make one practical, kindly listen to me. He has taken solution of ammonia with cobalt and added silver nitrate and cobalt chloride with ammonia and added silver nitrate excess form in very cold condition. So what happened? Some precipitates available in solution. Precipitates were silver chloride. So we have cobalt, ammonia and chloride Cl3 or 3Cl. This is the coordination compound which is ammonia with cobalt chloride and added silver nitrate AgNO3, cold silver nitrate in excess form. Then what happened? Then precipitates is formed in solution of AgCl. So the chloride ion is combined with silver. We have taken 3 chloride ion in this coordination compound and we have got 1 AgCl. It means 2 chloride ions are remain in solution. So it was proved that 1 mole of cobalt chloride ammonia gives how many moles of silver chloride during the reaction with cobalt chloride ammonia added silver nitrate, some observations are given which we are going to write. Again, I am explaining this topic. Cobalt chloride with ammonia, it is coordination compound, it is in solution form. Coal silver nitrate was added in excess form. Solution having precipitates of silver chloride. It is depend on the number of molecule of ammonia present in cobalt chloride, and we are having different color solution. So colors were obtained different, it means different compounds were obtained. So we are having 4 different solution and different color and precipitates available in different moles. Let's discuss. So tables you are given in your textbook. I am just explaining this. It is depend on number of ammonia. YPGV, you just remember YPGV. These are the sequence of 4 color. So you can easily remember which color having which compound. That is important. Sometime in JEE NEET you have to be said that which color having this compound. If you have complete idea to remember which color having which compound, then you can easily give the answer. YPGV. So first 1 mole COCl3 6NH3. 1 mole COCl3 5NH3. 1 mole COCl3 4NH3. 1 mole COCl3 4NH3. So you can easily remember COCl3 is common. Molecule of ammonia are 6,5,4,4. You can give the color. Y means yellow, then P means purple, G means green, and V means violet. So YPGV you can easily remember. It is the sequence of color of this compound. If number of molecule are 6, then color is yellow. Number of molecule of ammonia are 5, then color is purple. Number of ammonia is 4, then color is green. And again these two are the same formula, but these two are the isomers of each other, means arrangement of ammonia are different in its structure, so we are having different color. These two are the having same formula, but it is not the same solution. Arrangement of ammonia is changed, then we have color change, so we are having different two color. Gave 3 mole of AgCl, gave 2 mole of AgCl, gave 1 mole of AgCl, and gave 1 mole of AgCl. So you can now clear that if ammonia is 6, then chloride will satisfied by 3 plus cobalt. So 3 moles of chloride, 3 moles of chloride. Here 5 ammonia, 1 is decreased, then we are having 2 mole of AgCl, then we are having 1 mole of AgCl, then we are having 1 mole of AgCl. You can remember the sequence 3, 2, 1, 1. This observation was done by scientist or chemist Warner, and we are having these four different color solution. Now he explained that again he gave the statement that the transition element having two types of valency, primary valency and secondary valency. Primary valency is ionic bond, secondary valency is covalent bond. He explained that the compound or moles are present in square bracket will be 6. Compounds or mole will be present in square bracket must be 6. If it is 6, that is the coordination number will be 6. Number of molecule present in square bracket, that is the coordination of number of coordination compound. There were special arrangement in these two same formulated compound, but the colors are different, so it is two different solution may be asked. Now again he got the color, again he got the electrolyte in solution in electrolyte condition. He gave the again observation. Let's see. Color Y, T, G, V means yellow, purple, green and violet. These are the color. Now coordination compound. And then solution corresponding to then coordination compound are CO, NH3 3Cl minus. I am writing first all coordination compound, then I will explain. CO, NH3 5, Cl, 2Cl minus, CO, Cl2, NH3 4, Cl minus, CO, Cl2, NH3 4, Cl minus. These are the coordination compound. Its nomenclature will be explained later, but now you just remember the formula.